My name is Arun. I'm an Indo-Canadian. I'm currently based in Ottawa. I work for the Canadian Export Financing Agency called EDC. I'm a risk analyst there, so a big chunk of my day-to-day job is doing anti-corruption due diligence, reviewing counterparties and doing red flag analysis, KYC checks on customers that EDC might be lending to. So a lot of the discussion and the topics that we're having at this school is really relevant to my core job, and I'm thoroughly impressed by all of the speakers and specifically the diversity of speakers. We've had a whistleblower, we've had politicians, we've had people who've been in the field for so long. I guess if I have to particularly single one out, it would be the intensive trainings with Jeremy P. Brooks. What often gets lost is taking the time to review the finer details and the finer imprints. And that was a big chunk of our focus at the training sessions of how corporate compliance programs need to be tailored to the risks that companies face. It comes out so routinely that when we're reviewing transactions, when we're looking at cases discussed at the training sessions here, most of the corruption schemes are identified by simply following, does this make sense? Is it logical? Is this a business equation or a political equation that seems that everything is the way it should be? And it's not much complex than that. So I guess where countries lose or is when they don't ask the right question for whatever reasons. When there's poor civic engagement, and civic engagement is lost when people think they're not an expert in the field, and it's not their place or not their position to ask a question, and an expert needs to come in and weigh in on the situation. So I guess for young people particularly, don't be afraid to ask questions. Just